Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Boss Vegeta 1 here. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike and Jordan GR each year. So if you like sneakers, you came to the right place. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And we try to get you guys a little bit of box action. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. Let's try to get this in focus here. It refuses to focus today. I'm going to move on. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Low White Stadium Green and Black. I believe these are the Jordan 1 Low Lucky Greens. Bust these out. I bought these probably a few years ago. I'm doing some more room rearranging, so I finally bust them out. Not a low sneaker guy, as most of you guys know. But I have a ton of low shoes. I'll never wear any of them. Like I said, I really don't like to wear low shoes. It has to be an exceptional Jordan, like a Travis Scott or something, for me to wear it. This one isn't bad. But like I said, I don't think I'm going to ever wear these shoes as long as I live. Which one? This is 11, so this is my staring pair. And I tell you that I buy 2 pairs of every shoe. I buy one shoe to stare at and 1 shoe for wearing, because I believe that sneakers are art forms. Some sneakers I have even more than 2. I have a lot of samples and PEs as well. But that's not what this video is about. Let's get on to this shoe. The materials on this shoe are simply outstanding. If you have a chance to get a pair and you like low shoes, please do yourself a favor and buy yourself a pair of these. The white is so white. Look how crispy that white is. Lucky green Jumpman. Lucky green interior. All around beautiful shoe. The leather is sort of tumbled yet flat. It's all so soft. It's all premium leather, so you get all white leather to the black pebbled Nike swoosh. White breakup, or lucky green up top, or stadium green, whatever they're calling it, to the white breakup, to the lucky green / stadium green Air Jordan Wings logo on the back of the shoe, which is basically standard for a Jordan 1 Low. Basically the same thing on this side of the shoe. And you get to that lucky green bottom. That's the basic Jordan 1 bottom. Like I said, if you're a Jordan 1 Low wearer, I don't know why you wouldn't get this shoe. Except I think this is probably one of the best Jordan 1 Lows they ever made. If you're into white shoes, summertime shoe, springtime shoes are perfect now. You can hit my website. I'll probably go on StockX or GOAT and get a couple pairs from me. Give you guys another look at what these shoes are going to look like when they're on your feet. Let me know that you guys managed to get a pair of these. Do you like low sneakers? Alright guys and gals, let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. And above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day. Woo! These are clean. Jordan.